Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Mobile SDK for iOS and Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the AWS Mobile SDK for iOS, start by opening your terminal. Ensure you have Xcode installed and updated. Use Homebrew to install the AWS CLI if you haven't already. Execute the command, brew install oskly. Next, configure your AWS credentials. Run the command, AWS configure. Input your AWS access key, secret access key, region, and output format when prompted. With your credentials set, open your Xcode project. Navigate to the project directory in your terminal. Use CocoaPods to manage your dependencies. If you don't have CocoaPods installed, run sudo gem install CocoaPods. Initialize CocoaPods in your project directory by executing pod init. Edit the pod file in your project directory. Add the pod for AWS Mobile SDK by including the line pod AWS core. Save the pod file and close it. Now install the SDK by running pod install. Once the installation is complete, open the .sql workspace file generated by CocoaPods. Your iOS setup is now complete. For Android, start by opening your Android Studio. Open the build.gradle file for your app module. Add the AWS Mobile SDK dependency to your build.gradle file. Include the line implementation com.amazon AWS Android SDK core 2.x.x. Replace 2.x.x with the latest version of AWS SDK. Sync the project to download the dependencies. Now, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Create a new mobile hub project or use an existing one. Download the generated configuration file. Place this file in your Android project's app directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.